Hansen, we've been way too out of touch. Things have been crazy and it sucks.
In order to start off this trick, you should probably know the double or nothing. I get into it using the first element of Yuki Slack. You can also get into it the traditional way or just really any way you feel like. Next, do a cold fusion. Then, let all the strain off so you're in a keychain mount. Then swing that around once or twice and just pop it right over your non-throw hand finger. Next, swing around into this kamikaze mount pop up like Ouija bow, and you will now be in a brother mount. Feel free to pop out now. Next, if you want to add a little flair, you can just do a keychain swing all around, and then maybe finish it off with a rocket ship bind. Here's it all from a top-down view. And here's a quick side angle.